What if you could take a simple image like this and turn it into an entire cinematic sequence that actually understands what should happen next? Not just random animation. I'm talking about videos that follow your instructions, understand context, and continue the story naturally. Today, I'll show you how I created this entire sequence using Higgsfield's latest update. The newest frontier models are already here. Whether you're creating images or cinematic AI videos, Higgsfield brings everything together in one place. You get Gemini Omni Flash for reasoning-powered video creation, Nano Banana 2 Lite for fast, cost-efficient image generation, and every other model you'd want, all in one subscription from day one. I've left my link in the description if you'd like to check it out and follow along with this tutorial. Before we jump in, this video is sponsored by Higgsfield. One thing that's changing quickly with AI isn't just image generation anymore. It's reasoning. Instead of treating every prompt like a brand new request, newer models are getting much better at understanding context and building on what's already there. That's exactly what Higgsfield Gemini Omni Flash is designed for. Rather than simply animating an image, it can interpret your prompt and generate videos that feel connected to your original scene. So instead of talking about what it can do, let's actually build something. Everything starts with an image. So from the Higgsfield dashboard, I'll head over to the image section and choose Nano Banana 2 Lite. One reason I like using Nano Banana 2 Lite is how quickly it generates high-quality images, making it perfect for testing ideas before turning them into videos. For this example, I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9 since I'm creating content for YouTube. I'll leave the quality on high and I'll generate 3 images so I have a few variations to choose from. Once everything is set, it's time to enter our prompt. A futuristic supercar parked beside a glass building at sunset, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic dramatic reflections, luxury automotive photography, highly detailed, 8K. And just a few seconds later, our images are ready. The level of detail is impressive. From the reflections on the bodywork to the lighting and composition, these already look like frames from a premium automotive commercial. Out of the 3 results, I like this one the most. So let's use it for the next step. Now let's bring this image to life. I'll switch over to the video page and choose Gemini Omni Flash. Instead of uploading an image from my computer, I can simply select the image I just created inside Higgsfield and use it as the starting point for my animation. I'll make sure the selected model is Gemini Omni Flash. For the duration, I'll use the maximum length of 10 seconds. And because this video is for YouTube, I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9. I will then select my preferred image from the image generation part and input this prompt. The supercar slowly drives away from the building while the camera performs a smooth cinematic tracking shot. Warm sunset reflections move across the bodywork as the city comes alive in the background. Ultra-realistic motion, premium automotive commercial quality. And here's the final animation.
True vision doesn't just follow the light. True vision doesn't just follow the light. It defines it. Experience the pure power of tomorrow.
What started as a single image is now a moving cinematic shot. The camera tracks the vehicle smoothly, the reflections shift naturally as the car moves, and the overall result feels much more like footage captured for a luxury commercial than a simple animated image. Even though the video is currently generated at 720p, the motion quality, lighting, and realism are genuinely impressive. And that's really the beauty of this workflow. You can go from an idea to an image to a cinematic video, all without leaving the Higgsfield platform. Now, I want to transform the scene into something different. Let me enter this prompt. Transform the scene into a rainy evening while keeping the same supercar. Add realistic rain, wet pavement with cinematic reflections, passing traffic, and dramatic blue hour lighting. Now let's see how easily we can transform the mood of the scene. Instead of creating a completely new video, I'm simply asking Gemini Omni Flash to change the environment. The car remains the hero of the shot, but everything around it changes. The dry streets become rain-soaked, reflections appear naturally on the pavement, and the lighting shifts to a cool blue evening atmosphere. It's a simple prompt, but it completely changes the emotion of the scene. Changing the camera movement. I will say, create a low-angle cinematic tracking shot as the supercar accelerates toward the camera before smoothly passing by. Add realistic wheel motion, suspension movement, and cinematic motion blur. This time, instead of changing the environment, I'm changing the way the scene is filmed. Gemini Omni Flash understands the kind of camera movement we're asking for. The low-angle perspective makes the car feel more powerful, while the tracking movement adds a sense of speed and energy. It's the kind of shot you'd expect to see in a professional automotive commercial. Creating a commercial ending prompt. The supercar comes to a smooth stop overlooking a modern city skyline at sunset. The camera slowly orbits around the vehicle while soft golden light reflects across the bodywork. End with a premium luxury commercial feel. Let's finish with something that feels like the closing shot of a commercial. Instead of focusing on speed, this prompt creates a more cinematic ending. The slow orbit around the vehicle gives the viewer time to appreciate the design, while the warm sunset lighting adds a premium, high-end look. What's interesting is that every prompt builds naturally on the previous scene. You're not just creating isolated animations. You're directing a sequence, almost like working with a virtual film crew that understands your creative direction. Now that we've seen the complete image-to-video workflow, let's move on to something even more interesting. The goal here isn't just to animate the image, it's to see how well Gemini Omni Flash understands the intent behind each prompt and continues building the story instead of treating every generation like a completely new scene. This is one of the things that makes reasoning-powered video creation so exciting. Rather than simply creating motion, Higgsfield Gemini Omni Flash can understand context, follow creative direction, and make each new prompt feel like the next scene in a film instead of a disconnected animation. I want to see how well Gemini Omni Flash understands context and continues the story through a series of simple prompts. Creating a luxury perfume commercial with Gemini Omni Flash. Suppose a client hires you to create a luxury perfume commercial. Instead of filming everything with expensive cameras and lighting equipment, can AI help us produce something that feels just as premium? Let's find out. Creating the hero shot prompt. Animate the luxury perfume bottle as the camera slowly pushes forward. Soft golden light reflects across the glass while elegant mist flows gently around the bottle. Premium luxury commercial, cinematic lighting. And here's our opening shot. The very first thing that stands out is the camera's movement. It's smooth, controlled, and immediately gives the product a premium feel. Notice how the reflections shift naturally across the glass as the camera moves. Even the mist isn't distracting. It simply adds another layer of depth that makes the product feel more expensive. If someone showed me this for a few seconds inside a fragrance commercial, I honestly wouldn't think it started from a single AI-generated image. But here's where things get interesting. What if your client suddenly changes their mind? Changing the environment. Prompt. Place the perfume bottle on a reflective black marble surface surrounded by slow-moving water ripples. Preserve the bottle while adding elegant cinematic reflections. Instead of rebuilding the commercial from scratch, I'm simply changing the environment. The bottle stays exactly the same. But look at how much the mood changes. The reflective marble immediately makes the advertisement feel more luxurious, while the water ripples introduce subtle movement without taking attention away from the product. That's a practical workflow because clients ask for changes like this all the time. Okay, but now imagine they ask for something even more dramatic. Premium Studio Look Prompt. Replace the background with an elegant black studio featuring floating golden particles and soft volumetric lighting while preserving the bottle and camera movement. This is probably my favorite result so far. The bottle remains perfectly recognizable, but the entire atmosphere has changed. The floating particles create just enough motion to keep the frame alive, while the soft lighting naturally draws your eyes toward the product. This is the kind of shot brands often use as the hero scene for luxury advertisements. Motion graphics. Prompt. Create the product name Everlove and realistically track it beside the perfume bottle as the camera slowly rotates around the product. This is something that really caught my attention. Normally, if I wanted text to follow a moving object, I'd export my footage into another editing application and spend time tracking it manually. Here, I'm simply describing the effect. Higgsfield Gemini Omni Flash understands the request and keeps the title naturally attached to the movement of the product. That's a huge time saver for anyone producing social ads or product commercials. One last shot. Let's finish this commercial properly. Prompt. End with a dramatic close-up of the perfume bottle as golden light shines through the glass. The camera slowly pulls back to reveal the complete luxury product display with elegant cinematic lighting. And that's our finished commercial. We started with a single AI-generated image, turned it into a premium hero shot, completely changed the environment, created a luxury studio setup, added tracked motion graphics, and finished with a polished closing scene. What impresses me most isn't just the animation quality, it's how Gemini Omni Flash understands the creative direction behind each prompt. Instead of treating every request as a completely new video, it builds naturally on what we've already created. That's what makes it feel less like generating random clips and more like directing a professional commercial. So we've looked at storytelling, we've looked at product advertising, and I think that's what really makes Higgsfield Gemini Omni Flash and Nano Banana 2 Lite stand out. Whether you're creating cinematic stories, luxury commercials, or content for social media, the workflow feels intuitive because the model understands context instead of simply animating images. Now it's your turn to see what you can create. If you'd like to try Higgsfield Gemini Omni Flash and Nano Banana 2 Lite for yourself, I'll leave my link in the description below. Thanks again to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want to see more practical AI filmmaking tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.